The journey begins by creating a mold using sand, carefully shaping it to form the perfect structure for each part of the wheel hub. Once the mold is set, molten iron is prepared and poured into the sand. After cooling, the hardened wheel hub is separated from the mold and taken for finishing. Using a spindle, the surface is smoothed out, removing any rough edges for a polished look. A specialized machine is then used to carve out precise spaces for the nuts and bolts, ensuring a perfect fit. Once the final touches are made, the tractor wheel hub is ready for assembly